Claude Cowork's AI agent can now scrape absolutely anything from YouTube, trending videos, top performing channels, and even find you new video ideas based on what is trending in your niche. Used to take me 5 to 10 hours each week, but it's now done fully automated by Claude Cowork. So no matter if you have a YouTube channel or not, or what you do online, this is gonna help you get a list of what's currently trending online that you can use for content ideas, for offer ideas, what to sell, what to post, or any market really, because YouTube is the biggest search engine on the planet. So anything that's trending on there is going to be also trending on other platforms. Now, if you've never used Claude Cowork before, I've prepared an absolute beginner's guide to Claude Cowork that explains in simple words what it is, how to set it up, how to access it, how it works. I've put a link to this guide below in the video description. So our plan for today is simple. We're going to set up this fully automated YouTube research process using Claude Cowork that sends us the most trending and best performing YouTube topics in our specific market every morning at 9 a.m. Now, the first thing you need to have is Claude Cowork Desktop. So if you're not already using that, just go to Claude AI Downloads and then you find a link to download it to your computer. And then you can start using it. Now, the first thing we need to do, because we want to scrape YouTube, we need to add a tool that can do this, right? Claude Cowork on its own can do lots of amazing things, but it cannot access YouTube data. But we can very easily give it access to that if we click on Customize and click on Connectors. And then we go to the plus sign. Here you can browse different applications that can add abilities to Claude Cowork. For example, if we type here Apify, Apify is a platform that gives you access to lots of different tools that can scrape basically any data from the internet, from any website, right? Not just blog articles, but also from YouTube, from Amazon, Google reviews, anything you can find online. Apify can help you scrape it. And the first step you need to do is you go to apify.com, and there you see that they have 21,000 applications you can access. And the good part is you don't need to figure out what you need to know or what is the best YouTube scraping tool to get data from YouTube to analyze the videos that we need for our own workflow, right? Because Claude Cowork will do this for you. All you need to do is you click on installation and then you go to configure. What usually shows this field here where you need to add your Apify token. And the way to get this is very simple. You sign up for a free account, and this gives you like $5 in free credits, and this will last you quite a long time because using this and accessing data and YouTube research doing on this Apify platform, it costs only a few cents each time. And then you go to settings here, and then you go to API integrations. And this is your API token. So you click on copy that, and then you click on paste it in here. And that's basically the only technical setup you need to do here. And well, with that, you click save and then make sure this is enabled. And then usually it's connected. And you will then see it under connectors. Here it will appear here. And then what I would do is I will select always allow. So basically give Claude Cowork permission to use the tool without me clicking a button every time. There's one more thing I would do, and you don't really need to do it, but it will dramatically improve the results you get. We go to skills. And what I want to add is a specific skill where that outlines how I should do my YouTube research process. Otherwise, I need to constantly talk to it back and forth, give me this YouTube data, do the research that way. I don't want to do this every time. So that's why I have prepared a skill set. I just click on upset skill, upload a skill, right, where I define the process. I have two processes, one to do the topic research. If I type a topic, it should perform the research and give me access. Here you see this is basically the process it runs through. Now, if you want to get access to all my skills, you find a link below in the description of this video. And here I want to add another skill. This is where I can give it a list of other YouTube channels so I can do some sort of competitor analysis with it. So here, click on that skill, and then it's going to be added. Here you see is a detailed analysis that I want to have. And now we can go to create a new task. And that's all I need for now. So now the only thing for me to do is to type in, okay, what do I want? The first thing I want is I wanted to search YouTube for the topic Claude Cowork. Find me 10 most viewed videos posted in the last 4 weeks. For each video, give me the video link, title, channel name, subscriber, and view count. So I just copy that, paste it in here, and click Let's Go. Okay, now look at what it got me here today. It got me last 4 weeks, top 10 videos by total views on this specific topic. So it sorted them based on total views, but I also see views per day, and this is really good. So I can see, okay, how much momentum does this video really have right now? Now it didn't get me the subscriber data in the first run, so I could just basically run it again, and then it will give me the subscriber data, because it would need to pick a different actor, because the actor or the Apify tool that it has used to get the video ideas and to search YouTube doesn't allow it to get also the subscriber names. So I would tell it for all these 10 listed, give me the subscriber count. But for now, it doesn't really matter for me. What matters for me, okay, views per day. That's really important for me. Now I see, okay, what does it tell me? This is the dominant player. And then it tells me, okay, what are the winning formulas here if I want to make my own videos on that? And here a new product update, Cowork's projects. So there was a new release in this, like Claude Cowork projects. Already know that this is the highest velocity right now. So this is currently at this day the most trending topic or trending video on Claude Cowork. It gets the most views per day. And then it also gives me an analysis. Okay, what is the gap? What have none of these people covered yet? And it tells me what I could make a video on that would give me good views. Now I could even run this every week. So I click here on schedule, right? And then I can ask it, okay, run this every Monday on 9 a.m. or every day, run this and tell me what is the most trending video in this topic right now. But I don't want it yet, because I will schedule it at the end, because it's going to give me a full analysis, not just of the topic, but I can also in the next step give it a list of competitor channels. So I will pick some of these channels and then say, okay, now I also want a second analysis in this report that just analyzes, okay, the videos that are trending on these competitor channels. So, and that's what we will do in the next step. So what we'll do here is I use this part, this next one. And then at the end, I will schedule this full analysis we have done, all of them combined, to get a full detailed report every week, right, or every day, that gives me exactly the detailed analysis I need and the next video ideas I need based on what's trending. So here, go to these YouTube channels. And I've already made a list, so I will just pick, let's say, 3 of them here for now. Go to these YouTube channels and give me the 10 most viewed videos from the last, I would say, 30 days, and show me the title, views, publish date, and what topics they covered. Here are the results, the top videos from the last 30 days. So it analyzed those 3 channels, right, all in parallel, and performed this analysis in a really detailed way that I have outlined in the competitor analysis skill. Here, what does it do? Well, it sorts the videos based on top views, right? And it tells me published, it tells me the topic, the title, the views per day, really important, and the topic of it. So here, then I can check, okay, what is the most recent video that has the highest views per day? So you will see here, this basically is the highest, has the most momentum here. Then we take the next channel here. Now it gives me the subscribers, right? It can use this now. And here the only Claude code you ever need, published March 2, March 20th. So this has currently the highest momentum. In this case, that's really important, really crucial. Normally, I would have this list of competitor channels here. I need to go to every single one, look at them, right, from time to time, try to sort them based on videos that are high performing, try to figure that out. And now this is just one prompt, and it gives me the full breakdown. And this saves me hours each week. So here is the next channel. And here the analysis breakdown, the views, published views per day. This is the most, has the most momentum right now. Okay, perfect. And now it has, well, it tells me an analysis. Here the topics dominating are Claude Code and skills tutorial, Opel Claude, dispatch, and so on. So, right, and then I can, in the next step I could tell it, okay, based on this analysis, suggest the next topic for me. But there's one more step I need to do, one more analysis I need to perform to get the most relevant topic that also work for my channel, right? Because some of these channels are a little bit different, a little bit more technical type of videos. So that's why the next step, the final prompt we're going to put in is so crucial to get a really useful report and analysis for that. And that's what I have here. So now we're gonna take it all together, right? I tell it, based on what you just found, right? The trending topics and the competitor channel data. Now analyze my YouTube channel. So I will give it my YouTube channel here. So this one, the URL, look at my recent videos. Okay, so well, it added a link here, but I want to add the URL, my link. Look at my recent videos that performed well and what didn't. Then give me 5 specific video ideas with the exact title that match what's trending right now and what I haven't covered yet. And I could even say, make sure that the topics for my channels work for a non-technical audience that are not developers. And then I click enter. Now look at this. It analyzed my channel right now. It took me the top performing videos of my channel, and it tells me, okay, what's not working so far? And then it tells me, okay, the 5 video ideas for this week that are based on competitor channels, right? What's working well for competitors, and also what hasn't worked, what did work for my channel. And then it gives me this idea and it tells me, okay, this is what you should make. Claude just got a new feature to replace my entire workflow. And then it even tells me exactly what should the format be, the content of this, right? What should I demonstrate in the video, and the thumbnail concept, and then when should I publish it? And then video idea number 2, install these 5 Claude tools and automate your entire business. Okay, it's based on these trending indicators here. Now the thumbnail concept and so on. And there I have 5 ideas, right, for my next video. So if I run this every Monday, I just open that and then it gives me 5 ideas, right? So, and that's what I would do here. So I can say, actually here I would go to schedule here and say, I want to run this full analysis with top trending topic research, the competitor channel research, and the analysis of my channel every Monday at 9 a.m. Now here I just click on schedule. And it has set up a full YouTube weekly intelligence report that will run every Monday at 9 a.m. It will pick search for the trending topic, Claude Cowork. Sure, I can switch out the topics if I want to, right? So I can each week I could even give it a list of topics, like search for these 5 topics, Claude Cowork, Claude Code, whatever, right? Then competitor channels. I can add more or different competitor channels if I want to. And then part 3, and then it gives me a full report on that. So let's go to scheduled here, and there you will see the scheduled tasks. Here, YouTube intelligence report runs every Monday for me, right? And now here, sure, I could edit it here, right? I could add more topics, or I could add more channels if I want to. But for me, that is enough now. That is good enough. So let's go back here to my project. The only drawback with this is every Monday, right? It runs at 9 a.m. and I have to open Cowork, right? Because there I will see the results of the next intelligence report for YouTube and my next 5 topics. But what if you want to have an email, right? Or even a Telegram message, which is what I have set up. It gives me the next trending video topics on Telegram. So I see it on my phone. It could even be set up for email, right? But Claude Cowork can do this directly. But there's a very simple workaround how to get Claude Cowork to send you emails, to send you Telegram messages, set up like an automatic workflow. So only thing I have to do at 9 a.m. every Monday, I see a notification on my phone. I got a new Telegram message which gives me the next 5 video ideas for this week. I also made a video on how you can get this connected, how you can get this to send to Telegram. Really cool is I can have this competitor analysis dashboard, right? I can turn all of this output. It gives me here in Claude Cowork in this chat window. I can have it make me a dashboard, right? So every it's updated every week. So always know, okay, these are my next 5 video ideas I need to make for the week. This is the channels right now. These are top videos right now. And this is every day my analysis runs, this is updated. And it's also very easy to create, and also share this in this video. I've made for you. You can get access to this video and all the resources I've shared in this video, all the prompts, all the links, all these skill files to run this analysis below in the video description. I've put them together in a link. Just click and you can get instant access. Today I've shown you how to scrape anything from YouTube, and you can use this Apify tool that we've connected to Claude Cowork to scrape anything from any platform, right? From Reddit, from TikTok, from Instagram, from LinkedIn, anywhere you can think of. Any information that is online, you can now scrape it with Claude Cowork and turn it into an automated workflow process. If you want to see more videos like that, where I show you how to use AI and all these tools effectively without any technical background, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos.